Okay, hey everyone. May 12th. So I honestly think I'm getting close to being finished the weapon system, my gun system here. I'm pretty sure I've been saying that for quite some time now. I mean, I've been working on this system for months now. So this video, it's all about bug fixing any issues I kind of left in the past, grouping them all up so I can just tackle them and get them all done and out of the way before I can consider this ready for the next major tasks. Let's go through these tasks. So I have 9 tasks or bugs I want to get fixed before I move on to the 2 major tasks. I'll just go through them all in order. I'll show a little bit of what I'm talking about on the screen. The movement and mouse sways. So right now they're all set to the same value. I wasn't really focused on it when I was adding in the weapons. Maybe I should be. I think the goal is just have each weapon type feel unique. I mean, heavier weapons should probably have more sway, lighter weapons shouldn't. And then procedural jumps, similar to the mouse and movement sway, they're all set to the same values. I want to adjust it to be a bit more unique for each weapon. When the player is reloading, you're able to reload while you're aiming, which does cause some visual issues. You can literally look inside of the weapon when you're reloading because all of these reload animations were built off of the hipfire pose or the idle pose. So it wasn't really meant to be reloading while you're aiming in. With some weapons it works okay, like the honey badger, but there's other weapons like the DSR or the MK14 EBR where it just doesn't look good at all. So I mean, easiest solution and doesn't really take away from anything. I'll just disable reloading while you're aiming in. Adjusting the near wall weapon positions, I mean, same thing as the movement sways or the procedural jump. Again, just adjusting the positions for each weapon, making them feel unique. Now this one's the first bug. It wasn't too crazy. It hasn't been crashing my game, although there is an error trace. I just know it happens when you shoot the gun for the first time, and then all the other calls to spawn the Niagara systems, they're all fine. Disable weapon swap while sprinting. When you're sprinting and you swap weapons, the sprinting animation takes precedence over the weapon swap animation. So I think I'm just going to disable weapon swap while you're sprinting during reload. Same thing, messes with the animation. Simple fix, makes it a bit more cleaner. Adjusting the spread values. I've done that so far, but it doesn't feel accurate to where the actual crosshair images are being shown in the game. So I need to tweak some of the values. And then finally, another bug, the DSR just randomly stops firing for some reason. I think I know the reason, but I haven't really locked it down to where it's coming from. Occasionally it happens after being reloaded or after weapon swap, so I just need to figure out the exact cause and work through that. But anyways, 9 tasks and bugs I need to fix. After that, 2 major tasks. After that, moving on to another system, baby. I'll be so happy when we're done with this. I think I'm getting to that point where I just want to move on to something else. So being finished with the system will be amazing. Anyways, I'll see you guys at the finish line.